Pero kung makikita nila yung scientific research ni Dr. Billings, nako, napakaganda. Makikita mo, the Billings method is not a hula-hula. Yung hula-hula, it is not a counting method. It is based on sound science. Talagang scientific siya. Pinag-aralan niya ni Dr. Billings together with Professor James Brown and Eric Odeblad. At yung initial study nila, ilang babae ang part ng study. Alam mo kung ilan? More than 750,000 women participated in the study. Pag magre-research ka, di ba, ano ang population group? Parang 30-50
yes.
which represent the, what you call, the population, di ba? Siya hindi, more than 750 women nag-participate ng study. Kaya kinuha ng lahat yun ng hormones. Kaya siya, talagang intensive study siya, longitudinal study to Kaya nung nakita ito ng World Health Organization noong 1975, if I'm not mistaken, nagulat sila, mag-study pa tayo more. Kaya nagkaroon ng 5-nation trial. Chile, New Zealand, Australia, Brazil, kasama ang Philippines.